Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today I'm checking out the CosBeauty IPL laser hair removal tool. Now we're going to take a look in the box, but some really cool features about this. It says it uses over 500,000 flashes to help remove the hair, and then also 5 different energy levels, 3 cm squared, not sure what that means, 2 flash modes, and can be used for the face and body. Now, 2 other little things about this to note. It says do not use it on tattoo areas, or if you have naturally dark skin, also not to use it because maybe you can lighten up those areas with the flashes. So this sells for about $90 to $100 or so, this particular unit. And a lot of times they'll be running different coupons everywhere from $5 to $10 from what I've seen. So let's go ahead and actually take a look in the box, and make sure you click the like and subscribe button, that bell icon, to stay up to date when I post the review and demo, because I'm actually going to try it on myself. I have plenty of hair to find different areas that we can actually remove it permanently from. So in the box here, I've already opened it and removed some of the packaging to make it easier to show you guys. But first, we have our little getting started guide. On the front there it is in Chinese, but there are plenty of different languages here inside to give you all the different instructions of how to properly use it. Also in the box we have our power supply, which is always good to have if you want to power up the unit. They also provide these sunglasses, but they look like dollar store sunglasses, and this is supposed to protect your eyes from the laser. I'm not so sure if I really trust these. Now I will say they are very dark. I can't even see the screen when I'm looking at you, or hardly see the screen, but they are not very heavy, so I don't know, and I don't see any ratings on these, so I'm going to look more into that. And this is probably the case that's included with a lot of the other IPL type lasers that are out there for hair removal. Also in the box they give you a razor, because they probably want you to actually shave down the area that you're going to be removing the hair from. But this is a very, very inexpensive razor. It's nice that they include it part of the package, but you may want to just use the razors that you already use to do this. But it is nice to have part of the package. Finally in the box, actually 2 other things in the box here. One, we have this piece, which is going to attach to the end of the laser gun, and I believe this must be like the cooling sensation. It talks about there's some type of cooling because it is painless treatment, so I'm guessing that's what it is. So I'm gonna check that out right there to the side. And then here is the actual laser hair removal gun itself. Now this is the gold or rose gold color. They do have some other colors. It kind of mimics what one of those portable hair dryers would look like, I would say. You got your power supply on the bottom, and then looks like your ventilation on the back. Your screen here can tell you the different levels and all that fun stuff. Let's see if it powers on at all. No. So it's not a battery inside from what I'm seeing. It has to be plugged in when you're actually using it. Now, obviously, if you do use it, you want to have the laser protective goggles on. Again, going to look into these if they are actually protective enough, but you want to have that on. Don't shine it into your eyes, things like that, right? So that other piece that I mentioned to you, there's the little laser piece, but that comes out, and then the other piece could actually slide in there. So now that's in there. So I'm guessing, because there's no laser, and that's pretty cool. So maybe that's a cooling function that helps cool down the area. I'm really not sure. And again, it does say that it is painless hair removal, permanent hair removal. So put that right back there, clicks right into the spot. You got your little trigger, and looking forward to checking it out. So make sure to tune in, like and subscribe, click that bell icon, and then you'll get notified when I actually do the demo and review of the CosBeauty IPL permanent laser hair removal. Pretty cool. So I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.